What up guys? So today is a very special day because it's Fast 9 premiere day and I'm having a little special vehicle picking me up because I need to pick up GT86 Skyray at Dejan's place because the Z33 is staying at the base, unfortunately. Special delivery. What up dog?
Hey, what's up?
Like that. Big pimpin'. You need to put the seating belt on. So riding in style.
Yeah. Old school style.
Old school style. Look at all these speakers. Is this all? Probably.
Yeah. a little subwoofer in the back. That's about it.
And the Drift Squadron tent and S14 bumper and water canisters because we're gonna be thirsty. Some marketing material.
A whole kitchen.
A whole kitchen. Yeah. So we are picking up Dejan's GT86. Well, I am because he's already at the Cineplexx with my S14, and that means that 350Z is not joining us today. Well, we will have a lot of cars anyhow, so heck it. So we know ourselves, I would say, a bit more than the whole Fast and Furious franchise.
Yeah, a bit more, yeah.
So we've seen them all, we've seen a couple of those a bit more than 20 times. What are your expectations?
A lot of guns, maybe some space, maybe a car or two, maybe, not guaranteed, but
so,
maybe.
10 space shuttles, military aircraft, helicopter, shitload of missiles and guns, Dodge Charger, and maybe a new Toyota Supra or BMW.
Maybe, yeah. two JZ swapped.
Two JZ swapped BMW, yeah. Z4 or what is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Let's roll. Hey Dan, change that battery, man. The car barely started. Let's go. Can't talk much because this thing is quite loud. But yeah, Dan mentioned he's gonna change the exhaust hopefully soon. So yeah, let's talk more when we reach our destination, shall we? I brought your car.
What's up, man? So mates, you wasn't driving and texting? No? Not today.
Not today, pal.
Today.
Yeah, man. All right, here we are. Let's get moving. Tomcat's here. So yeah, Dejan works here near Kranj, and the idea was he can take the car ready to work today, and I'm bringing his car. So yeah, it was quite funny for him bringing a race car to his workspace.
Where's the Z, man?
So what did the colleague say?
Where's the Z, man?
Who's the Z-man?
The Z, man.
Mr. Z-man.
Mr. Z-man.
You know,
the fair lady.
still hibernating or
She's
something.
missing or what?
Yeah, she's been missing. She's lazy.
How they say, too much cars, not enough drivers.
Not enough drivers.
Not enough team
It's
members.
not a fair lady anymore, it's a lazy lady. So okay, what's the deal? We unload the car?
Yeah. First unload the car, then to make the tent.
All right, so we have like 45 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 45 minutes to set everything up. But it's gonna be an easy one. Well, we've been doing this premiere since...
Don't jinx it.
Yeah, I don't know. Like since Fast and Furious 4, I would say. And pretty much all of them were like with a big bang, a lot of going on, a lot of cars rolling in. But yeah, this year, you know how it is. Movie has been postponed for the whole year. And yeah, we're just making it a bit down on the low key. Yeah, just to bring it into the movies with a bit of flavor and style. So all is set for Fast 9 premiere. Like mentioned, this year we are not going with a big bang, partly because of Corona. Yeah, but it looks nice. A lot of nice cars. Yeah, you know, because we are more into the JDM scene. Yeah, a bit more JDM cars, but still a couple of Volkswagens, Beamers, stuff like that. So yeah, let's do a quick walk what we have here. So my ride bringing me to the GT86, our media guy slash tech crew did Volkswagen Transporter. Sunny borrowed himself an Impreza STI hatchback because he's currently under construction, but hats off to Sunny, still finding a piece of nice car and bringing it to the premiere. Then we have a 300 ZX, a bit in old school fashion, modifications more suitable to the first installments of the Fast and Furious series. And we have an Evo. The owner is the owner of Raceland, our proving grounds, our scene of the crime for Night Strike. Look at him, Mr. Yes. Sunny.
Hello, yeah.
I was just saying that hats off to you finding a nice car and bringing it to the premiere, even though yours is under construction.
Yeah. Thanks to Aliaj.
Aliaj, you're the guy, man.
Boom, yes.
You're the guy. All right, so you saw this guy in last Fast and Furious premiere video. Dino, aka Gamer, aka what was it last time? AKA
Dinotti,
AKA
Russia guy,
AKA
Jebać,
AKA
S2000,
AKA
Gamer,
How do you spell Jebać?
J-E-B-A-Ch.
Yeah.
Ch.
Yeah.
See ya.
Hey, but it's a bit different than last time, isn't it?
Yeah,
I think last time it was still grey.
It's like 2 years ago we were speaking together.
Hobbs and Shaw, I think.
2 years.
Yeah, 2
last
years.
time it was grey, and it was on different coilovers. Now it has all-ins, and I upgraded brakes.
Yeah.
I got Brembo's, and actually I put it in the foil, so actually has a little bit better color.
Better wow effect.
Yeah.
But I would prefer grey.
Why? You're old.
No,
I'm still young. I want to be shine. You know, I want to like shine like a star.
You're older like 10 years from me. So,
Yeah, but you are grayer. That's why you like the gray.
Yeah, but you color your hair, so
Yeah,
that
right.
doesn't count.
Yeah,
so.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when are we gonna play some games?
We're gonna play some games.
Like Super Mario Land?
It's your mama's house, I want to say, but I'm not gonna say that because he said
My mama doesn't own a Nintendo, fool, man. You know that. You know that.
we're gonna play every time you wanna come. I got
I'll come.
simulation race seat, so you can come here.
Maybe
and
we should do some racing, online racing together.
We can do it.
Now I'm just upgrading my rig with all the Fanatec goodies, so...
Okay, I got like whole Fanatec setup, and I know it's good, but that's not gonna make you better driver.
I'll tell you if it's good. I'll tell you if it's good, man.
Oh yeah, you can actually feel the difference, you know.
All right.
Notice the difference between the real and simulator.
Yeah, sure.
When are we gonna drive your car? That's what I wanna see.
Yes, Patina. Hopefully soon. We still have some how do you call labor issues, but we're gonna fix them soon.
But that's the point of that car, you know.
That's the point of owning a race car. You know, there's always something.
Yeah, always.
Is it big or is it tiny? There is always something. But
Okay, gotta go. Gotta get ready for a movie.
Get some popcorns and
Have a nice day.
Monster Energy.
Thanks.
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna drink it.
Yeah, drink it.
First, let me find it.
Yeah, look under my hood, man. Under my hood. So, BMW M4. Nice and stealthy. G-Forces. Evo 9. Almost like a brand new, coming out from our shop just a couple of days ago. No more rust. Rust free. But now he has some issues with the handbrake. So, we'll fix that in no time. A nice Z33 350Z. On the outside, pretty much OEM. I'm not sure about any modifications. So the car I brought for Dan because Dan brought the car for me. You all know this GT86. We've covered it many times on our channel. If you want to know more about it, check out the videos like when we went to a track day, like when we installed the supercharger kit, and yeah, all that shenanigans. And look at this, so fresh, so clean. R34, even though the badge is saying GTR, you guys who know shit, you know that this is not a GTR, but still I would say that GTTs are underrated because still the car looks super slick with some GTR goodies, and of course the RB25, yeah, an awesome engine. Of course I'm gonna say that. And of course, last but not least, we brought our S14 Tomcat. I don't remember when it was the last time we brought a car to an event, so it's nice. And unfortunately my Z33 stayed at the base. Like Dan said earlier, we have too many cars, not a lot of drivers. Oh yeah, we have two more cars here. It's a Honda Civic, 5th generation. I'm not sure which engine is inside. Still, it looks clean, slick. I would say nowadays it's hard to get one of those in a decent condition in comparison to like what, not even 10 years ago. I don't know what happened. Totaled, rusted, blown engines, no idea. But it's good to see one of those, and it's bringing a lot of memories back to the first installment of Fast and Furious. And the black GT86. You also saw some of the videos from this car because we did some upgrades for that car in our shop. Yes, some videos still not published. We did these racing coilovers, we did hell performance brake lines, we hooked him up with some nice Roda grid wheels, and I would say it's pretty slick combo, black and gold. Always a nice combination. So yeah, stay tuned. This car will get some more goodies pretty much soon. So Dino's copying my shit, doing vlogs from this event, but he's doing it in Slovenian language or partially Bosnian. So the guys, if you don't understand my English, you can switch to Dino's channel. So time's about right to hit the premiere. Outside here it was awesome. Awesome again to see all those familiar faces, hang out with friends, with our crew, meet some awesome people, and all the visitors. Yeah, let's go and check out Fast 9.
12 o'clock midnight.
And after 2 hours and a half of cinema, half an hour of packing, 1 hour of hanging out before leaving in front of the cinema, we are back at the 32nd Drift Squadron's base, S14 Tomcat, parked back, all our stuff, the tent and all that shit, and look who's also back at the base. But we're gonna talk about Hachi some other time. Comment down below what you think about F9 movie. Yeah, I think they kinda derailed from the original red line, but it is what it is. You know what you need to do. Like, share our content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell button. Till next time, see ya!
Truck 46, 2 miles out.